Hi guys, this is going to be a different video for me. I was contacted by Temu and they sent me some products and I tested them, and I'm going to give you an honest review of them, and I'm going to also provide you some links so that you can go get these products at 90% off. I've got some wonderful products that they sent me, and let's get started because we don't have very long to get them all in here. I think there are 12 products, and I'm going to give you an honest review. I didn't get to use them all, but I do have some product tips that I found, what we can do with them and what we can't do with them. So get your notepads ready. I'm going to have some links for you. I'm going to put them all in the description box with the links for you to purchase them. I'm going to give you some tips on how to get the products at 90% off. I'm going to give you my discount code so that you can put it in the search bar and get your discount to get the products at 90% off. So let's get started. There's one thing, I think it was user error on my part. So I got the leveling board and it's made out of acrylic, and I will show you some of the video, I think, of where I used it, and I put the heating mat on it. And I think I warped it. And I'm pretty sure that was my fault. Take it from me. Don't put a heating mat on top of it because I messed it up. Maybe I can use it for something else, or worked great up until that. Pretty cool. Maybe I can fix it. I don't know. On to a more positive note. This silicone mold, I love. I've not finished it yet, but these I am making. I'm in the process of making. These are really cool. I am using my hot glue gun. Oh, I'm not finished with it yet, but I'm making some really cool coasters with it. They're not finished yet, but you'll see the video soon. Really cool. But we can make deep sea coasters with that. We can do all kinds of stuff with this mold. Looking forward to using that. So as you know, I've kind of gotten into resin a little bit, and you know, the waiting process, you know, the time that you have to wait on your resin projects takes a little while. And I've been asking some friends who do resin projects, what can I get? What can I use? So they were like, why don't you get a heating mat? Well, when I showed you my leveling board, this is what I used, and of course I melted it. But this heating mat works. It has really been a game changer on helping me cure some things way faster. So if you use it correctly, it works. I got the heating mat. I got a silicone pad that goes over it. I'm putting one underneath it as well on a wooden board, and then I'm putting a silicone pad over it, and then it has this little cover that goes over your work. And yeah, I love it. It really cuts the time to cure your projects. Absolutely love it. And you can get it 90% off today with my link in the search bar for Temu. And that is in the description box. These cute little silicone ornaments, I love them. They are the cutest ornaments ever. I made them here. They are so cute. 10 out of 10. These are the cutest. They are so cute. I just love them. Use my discount code and get them for like hardly nothing. I forget however much they were, but so super cute. Just love them so much. This silicone mat, this silicone tray, I was gonna use the handles on it, and then I decided not to. So I did order the handles, but I haven't got to use these handles in anything yet. I will use them, so you will see me use them soon. I was gonna use them in this tray, which would have been a really cute tray, but I didn't get to use them yet. So we will use these soon. But let's get back to this tray because it is amazing. This tray has the scalloped waves in it, and I rubbed it with pigments. And let me show you what I made. I took and rubbed pigments inside it. Now, it was my first time using it, but oh my gosh, I love, love, love this mold. I am putting this on the front of our records. We have like a little tray that we hold our records in, and I'm just laying this on the front of it. And it's really, really cute. And at 90% off, I mean, it's a really, really cool. I love it. And with these candles, it would be the coolest tray to like lay on your bathroom counter or on your, you know, where you put your wallet or your keys or anything like that. So yeah, super love this. Win-win. Now, this resin mold I used, I made some earring and some pendants out of some UV resin. I have not completed them yet, but I am in love with it. Fairly easy to make, fairly easy to use. I'm super excited to use this. It's a very sturdy, it's made very well, and I'm looking forward to using it again and again and again. Can't wait for you guys to see the many, many things that I make with this mold. And for the price, you can't beat it. Yeah, this is gonna be my go-to for earrings, for sure. What else do I have? These products are really made well. I've gotten a few things from Temu that I was, you know, not dissatisfied with, but none of their like resin products that I've gotten, I've not been dissatisfied with. So if you're on the fence about not getting anything, you won't be disappointed. Highly recommend their molds. Highly recommend. I've not had the chance to use this mold, but I do want to make a bowl with it and make some little coasters. I did see someone else make this really cool mold with some handles. And then she made some little coasters to go with it. So I'm thinking about doing that as well. Please drop me some comments and let me know what you would make with it because I'm interested in doing that too. So let's see what else I got. I think I have a couple of more things to show you, but don't go away. Hold on one second. My favorite thing that I received from Temu. This has to be my favorite thing of all. I don't know if you've gotten this from them or if you've seen this mold, but holy cow. This is the cutest mold. So if you look real close, you can see the little bees and the honeycomb in there. Well, they're raised, and you just use a gold marker, like acrylic pen, and you can basically just put the marker on your finger and rub on top on the raised part, and all of them have it, and then you have this part that has the bee. You do the same thing, and then you mix your resin. Look at this. Look at how cute that is. That is the cutest thing. And here are the coasters. Aren't those the cutest? I love this mold. Love it. That is so cute. I love this mold. Anyway. Okay, guys. I am showing you this because I'm absolutely going to love this table when I get this done. It's going to be pretty cool. Here's my table. And when it's done, it's going to be a little bigger. I got this silicone mold and got it laid out the way I want, but it's going to be so pretty. I'm going to absolutely love it when it's finished, and I can't wait for you to see it. I'm going to do this video on my channel, but I love this mold, and we're going to do many more because I'm going to sell them. So I was super excited to get these silicone bowls. I think my order came with 4 of the smaller little cups, but you can use them with your resin, and then you can let your resin dry inside and then pull the resin out. And if you're like me, I like to reuse things over and over, and I find fascinating things when I pull them out of this resin cup or bowl. So I'm going to show you if I can get it out. So I just pulled this out, and that is going to be part of a resin sculpture pieces that I am going to do. So it's pretty neat. Anyway, that's that. Really cool to have. Super convenient. And this one goes up to, it looks like 20 fluid ounces and 600 milliliters measuring on this bowl. Also in my order, I got stir sticks along with measuring cups for resin. You can use these for fluid paint. You can use these for water. You can use these for your Floetrol. Anything that you do that you need to measure. It is an 8-ounce cup, and it measures US fluid ounces, and it measures milliliters on the other side. So that is really cool. You can never go wrong with having too many cups at your disposal. I'm just so excited for you to get all of these products for 90% off. Temu, thank you so much for trusting me to test your products. And guys, they really are quite amazing. Check them out in the description box. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.